Oh my god. I've never been happier in my entire life.
Like, on my opinion, I would give it a 10 out of 10.
Yay!
I like sweet
Thank
stuff.
you. Hello guys! Today, gagawan po natin ng sagot gulaman drinks ang ating mga tikimers. Ayan. So this sugar is for the syrup. This is for the gulaman. And these are for the sago. Gagamitan ko siya ng tapioca and the small sago pearl. Ayan. So matitikman na nila ang ating Pinoy style sagot gulaman drinks. Come on, let's start making! Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. Welcome, and we are here again at the area of Kyle's residence. Kasi po, sinugod ko na naman siya. Ayoko kasing mamiss niya. Ito, sigurado ako magugustuhan niya ito. This is our sago at gulaman. And you know Kyle, he loves eating those with sago or tapioca or jelly. Alam nyo na, parang bata. Ayan. So, yun po. Talagang dadayuhan ko siya kasi ayokong mamiss niya yung mga pinapatikim ko, diba? So, guys, let's see what's his reaction and then balik tayo sa market mamaya. Hello, Kyle.
Oh, hello.
Mix that properly.
Oh, I don't know what it is, but is that tapioca balls?
Yeah. The tisago, tapioca, and there's jelly.
Oh my goodness, I can't wait.
We call that sago and gulaman drinks.
Gulam, what?
Gulaman, jelly, jelly.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's taste. Oh my god. The jelly is coming through the
Yes.
tapioca balls. Oh, when they came in my mouth, it's like like a machine gun.
Love it.
Wow. What is this made of?
Sugar syrup with vanilla.
It is amazing. Summer drink, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, it's always available in Philippines anytime. You feeling happy with the drinks, huh?
I love this.
Hmm.
Oh, I can just imagine waking up. The chickens are running outside. There's a man walking down, screaming
Uh-huh.
to come get your gulab. What's gulam? Gulam.
Sago at gulaman.
That's a long word. What he's screaming to come get some, then you go outside, you go get some. You
No, that is taho.
Daho. But they don't do the same with this.
Almost, yeah, the syrup.
Mm. Oh, you can really taste that sugar as well. It's like
Yeah, mix
this
it properly.
lingering nice flavor in your mouth. No, it's mixed, trust me. There's like this sugary flavor
Yes.
that lingers afterwards.
Yeah, that is the sugar syrup.
Oh, I really like this. I think it's number 2 to Tahoe.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. It's like a tea, but better. And that jelly, it just bloop in your mouth. This is more like a sweet, nice.
It's like a vanilla flavored
yeah,
one.
it's like a vanilla.
Mm.
I can't describe it. It's just very, very good. Like very good.
Thank you. You see? That's why I don't like you to miss it.
Oh, I was gonna cry if I missed it. Oh my gosh. I take I pull it in and then it goes in my mouth and it's like because all the tapioca balls are going
Jaja,
in my mouth.
you enjoy having those tapioca and sago, huh?
Then you get the big pieces and it's
Yes.
like wow.
And there's the jelly there. I don't know if you got the jellies.
I think that's those big pieces I'm talking about. Oh, the flavor is so good. Oh, look.
Hey,
Oh, this is very good. This is very, very good.
thank you. First time to taste and you like it.
When am I going to the Philippines to stay forever?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I'm leaving South Africa. It's boring here.
Oy, oy, oy.
I'll move there. I'll get a nice little house there. Live there forever.
Wow. With all the foods around you, huh?
But I'm gonna be poor
What?
because I'm gonna waste all my money on food.
No. People will give you food.
Oh, look at those big pieces of jetty inside.
Yeah. Your mouth is enjoying with all those exciting sago, tapioca, ice, jelly.
Oh, it's like a party in my mouth.
Yes.
No, I will be poor if I go to the Philippines.
No,
Even
you
if
won't.
everyone is giving me lots of food, I'll still go buy more. That's like 1,000 out of 10. That's like one of my favorites I've ever had in my entire life. Masarap.
Masarap.
Thank you so much.
So isa pa.
Isapa. I can't isapa on this, can I?
Yeah, you can?
Oh, isapa right now. Isapa.
Okay.
Can I show the camera?
There.
Take a look. All the tapioca balls,
Yeah.
the jelly, the syrup, all of that sweet,
No, syrup is
sugary
here still,
amazingness.
yeah.
Oh, it's just so thick. It looks like syrup. Oh, and the syrup inside here.
It's the
10 out of 10.
tapioca that you can see there.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
very pretty.
You wanna hold this one maybe?
Yes, please.
Because lady didn't taste it yet, that's why.
Oh, okay. Oh, you really fill it up with that sugar.
Yeah, I'm not putting too much because Christina said it's too
Yeah, no,
sweet.
you putting plenty enough. It's perfect. Oh, look at that.
Okay, and then putting.
Some ice water.
This is purified water, Kyla.
Oh, fancy.
Yes.
Oh, look how gorgeous.
There you go. That's the isa pa.
Look how the syrup mixes in.
Yeah,
It's
so
like
just
coffee.
Yeah, mix properly.
It looks like coffee, but it tastes way better. And
Yeah.
Look how everything
Ooh.
is sitting. Look how the tapioca balls are going
Yeah.
up because the jelly, and then you got these thick ones at the bottom. Okay, let's taste.
Enjoy it again.
Oh my god.
Lucky boy.
Oh. I've never been happier in my entire life. Thank you so much.
Okay, don't forget, Kyle. People are loving you, Kyle. Just for tasting our food and loving our food. What's wrong? Saving it.
Yeah. Thank
Okay.
you so much for watching. You guys are literally the best, and I enjoyed this so much. This, by far, one of the best things. If you haven't had this, what are you doing with your life? Go get some. It's amazing. Masarap.
Okay.
Oh, and mahal ko kayo. Keep safe always. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Stacy, welcome to my channel. There you go. So now that is sagot gulaman. It's like a vanilla drink. Just taste and let me know.
I like it.
Thank you.
It doesn't taste like dough. It tastes like a boba.
Oh,
Drink the boba.
yeah.
It's nice, but I like the sago.
The sago, yeah.
Makes it nice.
There's also jelly there and the tapioca.
But it's nice because of the jelly. And
Yes.
But otherwise, it's really very nice. It's sweet.
Thank you.
Like, on my opinion, I would give it a 10 out of 10.
Yay!
I like sweet
Thank
stuff.
you. First time to taste that one, right? And thank you for the tirade. Thank you, Mom Stacy.
Thank you.
Hope to see you again.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Now, you're having sago at gulaman.
Sego
And gulaman.
and
Gulaman. Meaning, sago and jelly. Sago and jelly. Jelly. Gulaman.
Gulam. Gulam is that Indian. Yes, I heard about it. Gulam jams. Gulam jams.
No, that's different. We call it gulaman, meaning the jelly. There you go.
Look, there's a frog.
Frog eggs. That's a tapioca. How's the sweetness?
Yummy and sweet.
It's like a vanilla flavored
I
drink.
don't buy condensed milk anymore because I finished it.
How is it, Jaden? Are you enjoying with the frog egg?
Also, yeah.
How's the sweetness? It's okay.
Never too sweet. It's better than the boba.
Thank you. It's nice, huh? With all those sago.
No, like. As you sip it, you get something that hits you in the back of the throat every now and then.
The jelly.
It's a jelly. It's different, hey? I'm loving this. Is this Philippine?
Yes.
You know, you and I in South
I
Africa,
want to join for the peace.
we have the most boring food.
Oh my gosh. There you go. Thank you for liking it.
No, thank you. You know, she keeps saying thank you for doing this. Meanwhile, we should be saying thank you, thank you, thank you.
No, I thank you because you love eating my food. You love trying my food. And
Wouldn't you like trying this food? You're so used to it. It's
Yes.
become boring for you now. For us,
No.
it's like this experience.
it's my first time to make this one, even the jackfruit. Because in Philippines, if I want to eat something, I can just buy it anywhere.
Do you know that? If you want any of these meals, you just walk outside and you order them. You
Yes.
get them on the streets.
Yes.
So when you finish school, where are we going? Philippines.
Yes. Thank you. See you there. Hi, Gabriel. I am back with something to drink. We call it sagot gulaman in Philippines.
Sagot kalam.
Yeah, you know the pearl and some jelly. I don't know if the sweetness is enough for you.
I have a sweet tooth.
No.
It's chewy as well.
Yes, yeah, the
This
pearl,
one.
sago pearl. I put tapioca, you know, the one they're using for milk tea.
Oh yes.
Yeah. How old are you now, Gabriel?
19, turning 20.
19. So you went from Philippines already?
Long time since I've been to Philippines.
Oh,
I was a
okay.
child.
Oh, right.
Then I moved here.
And you never tried that there? Can't remember.
Nope, never had this.
Okay, that's a Philippine drink.
Delicious.
Thank you, Gabriel.
Just right.
Mm.
Not too sweet. It's a good balance.
Thank you. All right, thank you, Gabriel. See you next week.
Thank you very much.
That is nice for hot weather.
And there's white things here. What is white things?
The sago, tapioca, and we have jelly. Is it very sweet or you need more sweets?
No, it's very sweet. Anything with vanilla inside?
Yes. Sugar syrup vanilla, that's why.
Cheers.
How is it, Rafiki?
Nice one.
Nice one. Thank you. Sir Gabriel, it's too sweet for you.
Too sweet for me.
Ay,
But I'll give you a 6. I only love Coke. I don't even like water. I'm being serious. I can take a 2-liter Coke to bed,
okay.
and in the morning I get up. Don't ask me how many times I got up, but the Coke is finished. So I'm not a Coke and Monster. Yes. Anything else?
Okay.
I'm not a lover. So for me to give you a 6 is actually very good.
Okay, thank you, Sir Gabriel.
Thank you.
Nice seeing you.
Likewise.
Hope to see you again.
You will.
There you go. Palamig guys in South Africa. Yay! Wow. Imagine there's a cafe in there, Becca.
My favorite.
You want me to make one for you, Becca?
But just with the small bowls, not the
Huh?
big bowls. You put
I forgot. She don't want the tapioca.
fine.
I'm making one for Becca. I hope she will feel better. Mix properly, Becca.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, I want more. You want more? Isa pa. Later.
I love it.
How is it, Becca? Wawa naman si Becca. Walang lakas. Sagot gulaman in South Africa. Yay! What? Ay! No. Si Becca talaga, ang daming ayaw.
It's not that chewy. I don't like it.
Becca, the white one. The white one, Becca, is also made from tapioca.
I know, but they're smaller, so I can handle it. Those ones are too big. I'd rate it 9 out of 10.
Yay! Becca?
I'd rate it like 7. I still prefer Tahoe. Tahoe.
Enjoy ka, Christina? Yes. Can you remember if you were drinking that in Philippines?
But it tastes like home.
Tastes like home, yay!
It tastes like sugar water. It is basically like sugar water.
It is. I made the syrup from sugar, Becca. Plus vanilla. Thank you, ladies. Hi, Miss Marlene. See that? We call that sago at gulaman, meaning there's a sago there and jelly and a tapioca pearl with the sugar syrup. That's one of our...
Is it a health drink also? No, a health fanatic. So I'm always asking you, is it healthy? Yeah, but it looks like it's got a lot of health properties in here.
No,
Does it?
doesn't at all.
Looks like it doesn't. I don't know.
very sweet.
It's very nice, but it's very nice. It's
Like a vanilla flavored drink.
it's lovely. Just a little bit too sweet, but I like it.
Thank you. I can put more water if you want.
Maybe it's a little bit more.
And by the way, don't worry, my water is purified.
It's better now that you put a bit of water in here.
Alright. Alright, thank you, Miss Marlene. Enjoy the rest. See you next week.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. There you go, Miss Yogesh. We call that sago and gulaman, meaning sago and jelly drinks.
Okay, it's nice. It's got that,
Vanilla.
no, the other cool drink, Iron Brew.
Oh,
It tastes a little bit like
yeah. Or maybe root beer.
Iron Brew.
Like it? Yes.
I'll give this a 9 out of 10.
Wow, thank you.
What's the black stuff?
That's a tapioca. It's like the boba. You know the bubble tea? Milk tea? There.
And the Saigo.
Yeah.
Thank you, Josie.
Thank you so much.
This would be nice on a nice hot day.
Yes. It's supposed to be hot today. Alright, Miss Yogesh.
Bye.
Bye-bye.